hammerhead shark. The hammerhead shark are a group of sharks. Dolphin. A dolphin is an aquatic mammal. Sharks. Sharks are a group of elasmobranch fish. Starfish. Starfish or sea stars are star-shaped. Walrus. Walrus is the name of two commons in northern France. Turtle. Turtle are an order of reptiles known as testudones. Stingrays. Stingrays are a group of sea rays. Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus is a genus of spinosaurid dinosaur. Penguins. Penguins are a group of aquatic flightless birds. Whale. Whales are widely distributed and diverse group of fully aquatic frogs. A frog is any member of a diverse